Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, hello, my name is Liz Rose. I do makeup tutorials and stuff like that on here. If that's something you would like to see and stick around to see, then please make sure to hit that subscribe button and also like this video if you enjoyed it. If you aren't subscribed to my channel yet, you won't know that I am doing a holiday series. This is day 7 or episode 7. I'm calling them episodes because they just sound better. I'm rambling. This is the 7th episode of the series. It's the Glam evening makeup for holiday. I'm going to call it like Glam AF makeup look for evening summer makeup. Something like that. I don't know yet. But obviously you'll already see the title. So if you want to see how I created this Glam AF summer evening makeup, then please keep on watching. I am very excited for this video. It's getting me excited for my holiday. If you don't know, I'm doing a holiday series on my channel at the moment if you've missed any of them so far, because it is currently day 7. I'm not really sure how many days of the series it's going to be, but we'll see. I'm doing a different thing on my channel. I normally just stick to hauls or tutorials on my channel, but I'm going in with something different. I'm going to be holiday vlogging. I'm going to be doing some tutorials, aka like this one. But it's a little bit different to what I normally do. If that's something you'd like to see, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And yeah, today if I'm like hella excited in this video, it's because today I went to uni for the last time ever. I am finished with uni and I cannot wait to get out of that place, to be honest. I have been waiting for this day for technically 4 years because I did a foundation year. So yeah, I picked up my work because the exhibition ended yesterday, because I did do fine art. So I have my exhibition, it ended yesterday, so I had to take down my work today for the second years to do their exhibition, and I am so excited. Okay, my hands are freezing. Yeah, that's why I'm going to be hyper in this video, which is kind of a good thing because I don't really sit down and chat to you guys very much, and that's what I want to change in my videos. But I'm really shit at talking and coming up with conversations. Like every person who knows me probably knows that. I have my graduation in July, but I'm going on 2 holidays before that. I'm going away to Turkey with my boyfriend, and then I'm going away to Spain, Malaga, where my granddad lives with his girlfriend, and I'm going with my dad and my brother and my boyfriend, and then obviously meeting my granddad and his girlfriend out there. When I say girlfriend, I don't mean that she's really young. She's the same age as him. They're just not married, you know? No tea there. So today I have a glam as fuck makeup tutorial, or Glam AF makeup tutorial of a holiday evening glam makeup. So if that's something you would like to see, then yes, you have come to the right place. So I'm going to start off with my base today because I just thought, why not? I'm going to start off by hydrating my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. Now I've only used this a few times, but I've heard so many good things about it. Not sure how people know. Also, if I look like I have pink eye, it's because I did a pink look yesterday and it still stained my eyelids, so yeah. Anyway, so I'm going to spray this. So if you're not familiar with my channel, you won't know that I do have dry to normal skin. Mainly dry, but I do have dry normal skin, so make sure you listen out to the products that I mention. And also I will recommend some for oily skin as well, just to help everyone. Okay, so I'm going to go in with a primer. This is the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. Again, I would recommend this if you have more normal to dry skin. If you have oily skin, I would recommend using a matte primer, or even like a pore filling primer, something like that. So, but this is great. I love this. Obviously I'm gonna love it because I have dry skin. That's if I can open it. I haven't used this in a while actually. I've been using my drugstore alternative, which is the what's it called? Revolution one? I can't remember what it's called. I love the smell of this too. It smells divine. So I'm going to blend that out with a dual fibre brush, just like I normally would, because I don't like getting oils on my hands or any type of makeup, to be honest. I have done my eyebrows because, like I said, I popped to uni this morning and I just thought I'd leave my eyebrows on instead of doing them all over again. I will have everything listed and linked down below for you to check out. Like, if I don't mention a certain product, I probably will, but like my eyebrows, they're going to be in the description box because obviously I didn't do them on camera. Okay, so the foundation I'm going to go in with, I haven't used for a hot minute, but I'm going to use the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. Really, really nice foundation. I got it in the shade 4.5. I really need to use up some of my foundations, so this is why I'm using this one. Also, this is a great foundation for holiday because it's not too heavy on the face, and also it is a illuminating kind of foundation. It's not like major, like dewy. So if you are oily skin, then I would recommend maybe using a matte foundation primer and then going in with this, because I think it suits all skin types. So I'm going to use a sponge to apply this. If it's a bit too dark for my skin tone, then that's because it is, you know. This foundation does feel nice and light on the face, which again I love. And again, it doesn't have a lot of coverage, so I would recommend building it if you want a more full coverage, which I'm going to do. I'm going to blend this down my neck because obviously it doesn't match me completely well. Okay, so that is the foundation done. Obviously it's a little bit tanner than my actual skin tone, but it's summer. We need to be a little bit more tanned. Obviously I'm not going to tan before holiday because I want to get my tan on, like, you know, a real tan. I don't understand why people fake tan before they go on holiday. I just don't see the point, but you do you, boo, you know. So the concealer I'm going to go in with is the Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer in the shade Swan. This will brighten me up a little bit because it is a little bit lighter than my skin tone. Okay, so I'm going to go in with a sponge again and just blend this out. Okay, so next I'm going in to cream contour. I highly recommend cream contour when you go on holiday. It's just a nice step to be a little bit more bronzy, and also it will keep your bronzer looking a little bit more opaque longer, because obviously it's a cream, and then set it with some powder bronzer and you're all good. So yeah, definitely recommend this step. This is the Revolution Matte Base Concealer in C10. It is a stick concealer, but I don't like using stick concealers under my eyes, so I'm just going to blend this out like usual with a sponge. We are looking bronze to the gods, yes. Okay, so now I'm going in with some cream highlighter. I wasn't sure if I was going to do this or not, but I'm going to do it. This is the Revolution Liquid Highlighter in Champagne. I'm going to pop some of this on the back of my hand because I like to use my sponge, and to get the best apply, like the best look, is to apply it with a sponge, but dab it onto the, put it on the hand, dab the sponge in and then apply it. I don't like going straight on top, like putting the product on my face with the applicator, because it just looks too much, if you get what I mean. So I love doing this. Did that make any sense? I'm not really sure, but I hope you can see the nice glow we have. Obviously, if you don't like cream or liquid highlighter, then don't do these steps. So for powder, I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in 05 Fair. I'm literally going to pop this under my eyes and where I need it, and then call it a day. You want to make sure, because we did do the other steps before doing this, I'm going to make sure all the creases are out of my under eyes, and then pop this on. I'm going to pop it all on my nose. I don't like to bake with loose powder anymore. I'm not sure why, but I just don't. I think it's because it just makes my skin look too dry. I like to set my whole neck because I don't like getting makeup everywhere, like I've got it in my eyebrow. I'm going to go in with powder bronzer. I'm going to use the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in medium dark. This is a nice warm tone bronzer. Okay, so I've been using this blush a lot in my videos lately, and it's the Milani Luminoso, of course. This is just an essential for summer. It's like a peachy balm blush, which I love, and it has a little bit of shimmer in there, which I love as well for a blush for summer. I normally like a matte blush throughout the rest of the year. You've got to go a little bit extra for holiday, come on, and for summer. Okay, so I'm going to set my face using the Urban Decay All Nighter. Forgot what it was called then somehow. For highlighter today, we are going to go in with the Milani Strobe Light in Afterglow 01. It's just a really nice, bright highlight. Okay, so I'm going to go off camera and do one eye because I'm not entirely sure what I want to do yet, and probably sort my eyebrows out because that's what happens when you do your eyebrows first and then do your foundation. And yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so I've done this eye and now I'm going to go on to this eye. So I have already done the base. I used the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas like I normally do. You know how I apply that. So in today's video I'm going to be using the Anastasia Glam Soft Glam palette. This is definitely my go-to when I want a nice glam makeup look. So, oh, I love these lashes. So I'm going to first take Orange Soda, which is the light orangey shade, and I'm going to put this in the crease and slightly above the crease as well, because I did notice that when I cut the crease on this eye, I didn't go high enough with the darker shade. Okay, so then next I'm going in to Rustic, which is the kind of medium brown. Okay, so next I'm going to take Cypress Umber, which is the really dark brown in the palette. I keep saying in the palette. And this is going on the outer corner of the eye. As you can see, I haven't rounded my eyeshadow, I've kind of winged it, just because I want that kind of effect with this look. I'm going to do the same with this shade. I'm also going to take a little bit of the Cypress Umber and drag that along too. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is cut the crease and I will be right back. Okay, so I've done the cut crease. It's a little bit different to this one, but whatever. I'm going to set it with Tempera. What? Tempera, the lightest shade in the palette, just to set it so it doesn't go anywhere. And then I'm going to go into the Stila Magnificent Metal liquid like eyeshadow in Kitten Karma, and I'm going to directly apply there. Okay, so I'm going to put some black in my waterline and my lower waterline. I'm going to use the Colourpop pencil in Swerve. Then I'm going to take the black eyeshadow, which is called Noor, and put that on the lower part of my eye, up against the lash line, as close to the lash line as possible. And then what I'm going to do is take a bit of the pencil liner and go on top and just smudge it. Then I'm going to take the black eyeshadow again and just smudge this liner out. Then I'm going to take a little bit of that Cypress Umber and make sure these are blended together on the lid. And I'm going to take the highlight we took on the face and spray a little bit of setting spray on there and pop this in my inner corner. Okay, so now for lashes. So I'm going to apply some mascara, of course, and then I'm going to take the Tatti lashes in TL4. Love these, they're actually really, really nice. Forgot how nice these are. Okay, so that is it for the eyes. Now I'm going to do, if I keep looking over there, it's because there's a fly on the window. Okay, so now I'm going to do lips. I'm going to take the MAC lip pencil in Whirl. I'm going to go with a nude for this look, but you can go with anything. Even a red lip would look so nice with this look. Okay, so then to top it off, I'm going to go in with the P. Louise Holler Gloss. It's no like particular shade, it's just one shade. Okay, so I think this is it for this look. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope it gave you some inspiration for holiday, like a look on holiday. I'm definitely going to be wearing this on my holiday because I love a good glam night. Not very often, but I do like a good glam. So yeah, please like this video if you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And also I will link all my current holiday series videos up there in the eye and also in the description box below, so you can see them and won't miss out on anything. There will be upcoming vlogs coming soon, so stay tuned for that. I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.